In this video, we're going to focus on the class selector grouping. So right now we have these kind of groupings here, but class selector grouping is slightly different and will help you as well. So basically, this is it. Imagine you have here another item. Let's add up here a new class. And we're going to give this the red color class. And here we have a red color, and then we have the big class. So basically we have now two classes here, and we're going to group these together. So we only will pinpoint this specific item. Alright? So once we have this here, let's go back here to our CSS or style sheet here, our external style sheet. And in here we have the following. Well, we have a red color here. And now what we have is the following. We have a p.redColor, and then we say here .big. So what happened now is, now we're not pinpointing the paragraph only with the red color class, but also the one who would contain the color big. Or sorry, the class big. So there are two classes in here. So we're pinpointing specifically on this item here, the red color big. So let's start and do here something. So let's say here we will say color. We can make this color what is that, yellow. That's all right. I'm just figuring out something. And then we say here font size 30 pixels. Let's save this. And once we save this, you will see now what happens is it's quite hard to read. So let's make this orange. That's far better. All right. So you see here we have a blue color, or this text blue color is orange, and it is big. However, the red color, or if you look at the text here, classes, red color will not pinpoint this one here. So it doesn't touch this. This maintains red. It doesn't become orange, and it doesn't become big. So this is a way how we can add up more items or more classes together, and where you can give a specific item here, or where you can pinpoint them specifically. So this is also an option, and you can also remove this, where if ever there would be anything instead of a paragraph, but it could be also a div or a list item, anything, then it will grab it as well. Still here it will still maintain the same item. So let's say now we have this div here, and this div we will say also it has big. If we save this, you can see now both of these are becoming orange and has huge text. The font size has increased as well. So this is very useful where you can pinpoint it. And if you want to pinpoint only the div, we just put in here the div in the item here in the syntax, and then refresh here, and then you can see here now only the div has been expanded. And this is the way how you can control more and more items on your style sheet and be more specific in case you need to go down deeper without giving too many classes within your CSS, because now you can combine classes, but also you can pinpoint specific ones together if they are both having the same class. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.